Right, that's that little airing done. Happy days. I like doing the shopping early in the morning when it's quiet, because all the Reggies are still in their bed, and I forgot to take the locks off. That would have been a good one, eh? Right. Go-go juice is required. Let him out. Because he's driving an Audi and he's special. And here we go. Right, go juice time. I think we'll take a wee trip out by the Highland Centre just to see how busy that is with Truck Fest. So that's me gassed up just in case I do decide to go out this afternoon. It's a bit scruffy for a City Link. I wonder who's operating that one. Normally the buses are immaculate. I think it's going to piss down later. Look at the sky, it's not looking promising. Get the amount of patches on this road and it's still a bloody mess. Anyway, GoPro. I've been having a hell of a lot of GoPro issues lately, and I'm really starting to get sick of it. The amount of lost footage I've had this year alone is unbelievable. It's the worst year for lost footage in all the years I've had the GoPro. I've got a GoPro 9, a Hero 9, and I've had it a few years now. I got it when it first came out, so it's what? It's at least 4 years old, 5 years old. And is that what are they up to now? Hero 12. So it's what? 3 years old? 4 years old? Anyway, I've had it for a few years. When I first got it, it was bad. You know, there was a hell of a lot of complaints with the Hero 9. Audio popping and other bits and pieces. And I actually exchanged it for another one because the audio popping was really bad. It just constantly popped, which was a major complaint at the time. So anyway, I exchanged it, and the replacement unit that I got, it was a lot better. It still popped, but not as often as the first unit, you know. But the famous freezing still existed, and not recording audio. So it's been back to doing the old tricks this year. I don't know if it's because it's maybe had a firmware update, but the amount of audio that I lose is unbelievable. I can start and stop it and it's fine, and then when I go back to check the footage on the computer, I've lost a lot of audio. And I haven't touched the microphone or anything like that, so it's obviously an issue with the GoPro. And it doesn't matter what microphone I use, because I've got about 3 or 4 different microphones. It still does it. And obviously the crackling, that's a cheaper microphones, it does that, so that's not really the GoPro's fault, that. But the freezing and non-recording of audio certainly is the GoPro's fault. And I'm really getting sick of it, because like I say, I've lost a lot of good footage this year alone. So I think I'm going to start looking at another camera and replace the GoPro, because I just can't afford to keep losing all the footage. It really does get depressing when you've been out filming, you've been on a good route, you come back and the footage is gone. Don't get me wrong, the GoPro, it is a good camera, the picture quality is second to none. You know, the image stabilisation is really good, but it's just annoying. And also the editing the GoPro footage, the way it's numbered on your computer, it's a nightmare to find all the files. So that's my dilemma. And that's Truck Fest over there. See all the trucks. I've got a few of my mates that are going to that today. I'm not. I can't be arsed with trucks. I've driven them for a while, so yeah, not my thing. And that's the rain starting as well. I knew it. Absolutely knew it. God knows what they'll be charging to park in that field today. If it starts to pish with rain, good luck getting your car out. I've seen them pulling them out with tractors. There's a queue. Hello. Oh, thank God I'm not working today. Not that it would really affect me anyway. This is like out of town now. But there's the traffic. What time is it? It's around about 10 o'clock-ish, just after 10 I would think. 10:30. It's starting to rain. Absolutely brilliant, eh? So yeah, that's the dilemma I've got with GoPro. I mean, I don't even know if this video will record. So I think I'm going to upgrade the GoPros. So I might look at that DJI, the Osmo Action 3 or whatever it is. I'll have a wee look at that. I've had DJI products in the past. I've still got a DJI product, the drone. I've had that for a few years and I haven't even used it. You know, I've flew it a couple of times in the field at the back of the house, but I've never taken it out on a ride or to Europe when Willie and I went to Italy. That was the whole reason why I bought it. You know, I bought it a good few months before I went to Italy, a good 6 months, to learn how to fly it and all that. And I never took it. The more I read into it, for the regulations, you know, for your flyer's licence and all this rubbish, I just thought it's going to be too much hassle, you know. And a flyer's licence or flyer's ID or whatever you call it, that expired over a year ago. You need to renew it every year. I done the one that lasts for 5 years, whatever that was. Is that the test? But I've never renewed the flyer's ID, and I don't think I'm going to bother either. That's if I do fly my drone again. I might just sell it. Well, I think I've been lucky with the weather, because these skies did look a bit unsettling. Alex and I were out yesterday, was it yesterday? And glorious sunshine when we left. It was actually really hot, and we couldn't wait to get on the bikes to cool down. And then about an hour and a half into the ride, boom, heavens opened, and the two of us got soaked instantly, because we just had our jeans on, our denims. I just had this summer jacket on, and within minutes we were soaked right through. So we abandoned our ride, about turned, headed back for clear skies, and ended up in Glasgow at Sports Bike Shop. Absolutely love that shop. I could spend hours in there. Oh, I spend hours on the bloody website, that's for sure. This roundabout's a lot better now that they've resurfaced it. There's still a couple of bits, but that used to be horrendous. Right, I'm just going to wrap that up there. So if you've enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button. And if any of you have got any advice on action cameras, please feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section, because it is something that I'm going to be looking into, and I want to get away from GoPro, so I'm seriously looking at the DJI Action. Is it Action 3 or whatever? So drop me a comment below on your experiences if you use the DJI, and I'll gladly take all your advice on board. Anyway, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.